is called the purchase request form. So this form at the top, you would actually fill this in with your counselor when you do your in-person appointment, but at the top we put in your home address and then purchaser information. The second section is about the ownership information. So it's very important because whatever information is recorded here is the information that is going to be recorded on your deed. So please make sure that names are spelled correctly, that the person's name who you want the deed in is listed in this section. So you would fill in owner one's first name, middle name, and last name. You indicate their gender, their marital status, and if they live in a home. If you have a second owner, you'd put their information here, answering those same questions as you did before. Then this is really important here in the bottom section. So if there are two purchasers, purchasers must select either joint owners with rights of survivorship or owners in common. So a joint owner with rights of survivorship means if one person dies, the other person gains full interest in the house. So if one person dies, then the person who is living will have full ownership of that home. Owners in common deals with equal interest. So if one person dies, then their heirs will inherit their interest in that property. Section 3 is about your estimated purchase price. So remember, as we talked about in the service agreement, there are two possible prices for your home. We won't know, the final price until the summer, but we just like to quote you both so that you have an idea. The purchase price of your home is going to depend on several factors. Either you can have the delinquent tax price, which is going to be the cost of the delinquent taxes plus whatever fees the Wayne County Treasurer's Office assessed on your property for this year. Or it could be the fair market value price, which is an assessed value of your home, and some other considerations that are determined by the government, not by us at all. Section 4 is the purchase commitment. So we need you to let us know your maximum authorized price. So this is the maximum amount that you're willing to pay for your home. We will not go through with the purchase of the property if it costs more than what your maximum authorized price is. Your earnest money deposit, that is the amount that you commit to save in your TWA by July 1st, which is our program deadline. And then your monthly commitment. This is the amount that you commit to pay every single month until the purchase price is paid in full. Section 5 is our land contract commitment. So if you receive a loan from us, you're required to enter into a land contract and make monthly payments until your purchase is complete. The deadline to enter the land contract is 60 days following the transfer of ownership to UCHC. So once the city deeds the property over to us, you have 60 days to get into a land contract. If you do not enter into a land contract by the deadline, purchasers may be subject to eviction. We will not have a relationship as that of landlord-tenant. So you have to get into a land contract if you're loaning money from us. There are 3 statements underneath here. It says, I agree to enter a land contract with UCHC immediately following the transfer of ownership to UCHC. I agree to pay my monthly commitment via land contract until full purchase price is met. I understand that filling out this form does not guarantee successful purchase of my home. So a lot of things can happen. We cannot make any guarantees. We definitely will try our best. But it's just important for you to know up front that, we can't guarantee the purchase of your home. At the bottom is the formal request. It says the undersigned purchaser or purchasers request that UCHC attempt to purchase the home located at, and we insert in your address there, in Detroit, Michigan, in the 2022 Make It Home program. And then you would sign at the bottom.